Hello everyone, welcome to Nursing Arena. Myself Lakshmi, and here we are going to discuss some of MCQs of nutrition. So let's start. The first question is, what are the basic structure unit of proteins? A. Fatty acid, B. Sucrose, C. Amino acids, D. Peptides. The correct answer is option C, amino acids. Amino acids is the basic structure of protein. More than one amino acid chain form the protein. Next question. Management of Wernicke's disease and beriberi involves administration of A. Iodine, B. Vitamin A, C. Vitamin C, D. Thiamine. The correct answer is option D. Thiamine. Next question. Kwashiorkor is caused due to deficiency of A. Carbohydrates, B. Protein, C. Fat, D. Vitamin A. Correct answer is option B. Protein. The deficiency of protein lead to kwashiorkor in children. Next question. Fat soluble vitamin is vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B, all of the above. Correct answer is option B, vitamin K. Example of fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, K, and the water soluble vitamins are vitamin B, vitamin C. Next question. Rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin D. The correct answer is option D, vitamin D. The deficiency of vitamin D in children lead to rickets, and the deficiency of vitamin D in adult lead to osteomalacia. Next question. Adult BMR basal metabolic rate decrease with the increase of following: A. Body fat mass, B. Fever, C. Body surface area, D. Muscles. The correct answer is option C, body surface area. Adult BMR decrease with the increase of body surface area. Next question. Vitamin B6 pyridoxine is given with isoniazid because it, option A, provide the vitamin when isoniazid is interfering with natural vitamin synthesis, B. Accelerate destruction of remaining organism after inhibition of the reproduction by isoniazid. C. Enhanced tuberculosis effect of isoniazid. D. Improve the immunological response of the client. आइसोनियाजाइड टैबलेट डोज थेरेपी के अंदर दी जाती है ट्यूबरक्लोसिस को ट्रीट करने के लिए, बट आइसोनियाजाइड की वजह से विटामिन की कमी हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से न्यूराइटिस हो सकता है। इसलिए आइसोनियाजाइड के साथ हमेशा विटामिन B6 दिया जाता है। सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, प्रोवाइड द विटामिन when isoniazid is interfering with natural vitamin synthesis. Next question. While asking about the history of a client, the nurse find out that the patient is on a plant-based diet only. She understand that he might develop option A, plagra, B. megaloblastic anemia, C. scurvy, D. marasmus. And the correct answer is option B, megaloblastic anemia. मेगालोब्लास्टिक एनीमिया विटामिन B9 और विटामिन B12 की कमी से होता है, और विटामिन B12 ओनली एनिमल सोर्स में ही पाया जाता है, प्लांट सोर्स में नहीं पाया जाता है। तो अगर कोई क्लाइंट सिर्फ प्लांट सोर्स ही ले रहा है और एनिमल सोर्स का बिल्कुल भी कंजप्शन नहीं कर रहा है, तो उसके अंदर विटामिन B12 की कमी हो जाती है, और उस वजह से मेगालोब्लास्टिक और पर्नीशियस एनीमिया भी हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, richest sources of vitamin C. A. milk, B. meat, C. amla, D. liver. The correct answer is option C. Amla is the richest sources of vitamin C, and the other foods are orange, lemon, grapes are good sources of vitamin C. Next question. Hernia or toad skin is due to the deficiency of A. proteins, B. essential fatty acid, C. carbohydrates, D. essential minerals. Here the correct answer is option B, essential fatty acid. Essential fatty acid की कमी से इस तरह से स्किन पर हर्नी और टोड लाइक लीजन्स बन जाते हैं। इंडिकेटर ऑफ इन्फेंट न्यूट्रिशन, A. height, B. weight, C. vital sign, D. vital statics. एक इन्फेंट अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन ले रहा है या नहीं, इसका पता सिर्फ उसका वेट चेक करके ही लगाया जा सकता है। सो द बेस्ट इंडिकेटर फॉर इन्फेंट न्यूट्रिशन इज वेट. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, वेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, scurvy is due to deficiency of A. vitamin D, B. vitamin K, C. vitamin C, D. vitamin B complex. Correct answer is option C, vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C or ascorbic acid lead to scurvy. Next question, 1 gram of fat supply A. 9 calories, B 6 calories, C 4 calories, D 12 calories. Correct answer is option A 9 calories. 1 gram of fat give 9 calories. 1 gram of carbohydrate give 4 kilocalories. 1 gram of protein give 4 kilocalories. Next question. Water soluble vitamin is A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin B complex, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is option C. Vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex is a water soluble vitamin, and vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamin. Next question. The best sources of calcium: A. Meat, B. Fruits, C. Vegetable, D. Milk. Correct answer is option D. Milk. Milk is the best sources of calcium. Next question. The daily requirement of folic acid for an adult is a option A 50 microgram, B 300 microgram, C 200 microgram, D 100 microgram. So the correct answer is option D 100 microgram. Next question. Dryness of the eye is due to A. Vitamin A deficiency, B. Bitote spots, C. Xerophthalmia, D. Cratomalacia. Correct answer is option C. Xerophthalmia. Next question. Pernicious anemia is caused by a deficiency of A. Thiamine, B. Iron, C. Vitamin B12, D. Folic acid. Correct answer is option C. Vitamin B12. One of the following condition caused by deficiency of vitamin A. Option A. Beriberi, B. Bitote spot, C. Scurvy, D. Retrolental fibroplasia. The deficiency of vitamin B is caused beriberi, and scurvy is due to the deficiency of vitamin C, and the retrolental fibroplasia is the complication of high oxygen administration to the infant. So the deficiency of vitamin A lead to Bitote spots. So the correct answer is option B. विटामिन ए की कमी से आइस के अंदर एक वाइटिस स्पॉट बन जाता है जिसे बाइटोट स्पॉट कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The daily requirement of calcium that an adult must take is option A 40 to 50 mg, B 4 to 5 mg, C 400 to 500 mg, D 4000 to 5000 mg. The correct answer is option C 400 to 500 mg. Daily calcium requirement for an adult. Next question. The first indicator of protein energy malnutrition PEM in children is A. Overweight for age, B. Weak and lethargic child, C. Underweight for age, D. Child having less intake of food. The correct answer is option C. The first indicator of PEM is underweight for age. Next question. Which food is naturally rich in vitamin C? A. Chicken, B. Orange, C. Banana, D. Milk. The correct answer is option B. Vitamin C rich food is orange. Next question. Deficiency of vitamin A causes A. Blindness, B. Deafness, C. Dryness, D. Dizziness. The correct answer is option A. The deficiency of vitamin A causes blindness. Next question. In which condition high protein diet is given? A. Uremia, B. Jaundice, C. Malnutrition, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option C. High protein diet is given in malnutrition. Next question. Food hygiene is known as A. Cleaning of food, B. Improvement of sanitation, C. Maintain food clean chain, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Food hygiene is known as maintain food clean chain. Next question. Zinc deficiency is characterized by all except A. Poor vision, B. Diarrhea, C. Dermatitis, D. Hypogonadism. The correct answer is option A. Poor vision. Next question. Which one of the following vitamin help in wound healing? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C or vitamin D? ये क्वेश्चन कंपटीशन एग्जाम में बहुत बार पूछा जाता है कि कौन सा विटामिन जो होता है वुंड हीलिंग के अंदर हेल्प करता है. सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, विटामिन सी. Vitamin C help in wound healing. Next question. Xerophthalmia is due to deficiency of vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin D, or vitamin A. The correct answer is option D. Xerophthalmia or dryness of eye is due to deficiency of vitamin A. Next question. A patient suffering with iron deficiency anemia should include the following food item in her diet: A. Coffee and tea. B. Orange and dark green leafy vegetables. C. Nuts and milk. D. Cooked oats and fish. The correct answer is option B. Orange and dark green leafy vegetables diet are given to iron deficiency anemic patient. Thank you guys. Please like and share it and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.